Welcome to Fujifilm Business Innovation Support.
Want subtitles in your language? Use the closed caption feature.
How to make a copy or scan in Z-Fold format. Place your document on the flatbed or top feeder, making sure it is oriented for short edge feed, SEF. On your printer, tap the copy or scan icon. In this example, we will select the copy icon. Next, select paper supply and choose a tray that contains paper oriented for short edge feed, SEF, or landscape orientation. Scroll down and tap More Features. Select Folding. You will see options for C-Fold, Z-Fold, and Z-Fold half sheet. Select Z-Fold. Select whether you want the folded output to have the image on the inside or the outside of the fold. Once all settings are configured, press Start. Once the process is complete, press the button, and the green light will appear. The bottom output tray for C and Z folds will open automatically. And there you have your Z-Fold.